The Kohaku, meaning red and white in Japanese and referring to a pattern of koi fish, was first publicly mentioned in late 2020. Its distinctive sound profile and design set it apart in the mechanical keyboard world. And its unique appeal includes a koi fish engraving on its weight, which is designed to be visible from the back, drawing inspiration from Japanese architecture and woodworking. The clever use of clear acrylic, now upgraded to tempered glass, creates an illusion of the fish swimming in water. SingaKBD's Elaine opened commissions for alternative Kohaku designs, selecting only a few for production. Among these exclusive designs is the Kyogre, featuring an engraved depiction of the Kyogre on the weight, and a top right blocker inspired by the symbol on Kyogre's fin. This limited edition adds a unique touch to the already distinctive Kohaku.